Your doctor just handed you another antidepressant prescription, but what if I told you there are natural alternatives that work for depression without the weight gain, sexual side effects, or numbness? Hi, I'm Dr. A. I'm an integrative psychiatrist and lifestyle physician. Depression during menopause isn't just about low serotonin. There's more. It's also hormones, inflammation, gut dysbiosis, mitochondrial dysfunction, and insulin sensitivity. It is essential to point out that moderate to severe depression requires professional care, and antidepressants like SSRIs can be life-saving. Unfortunately, some may develop side effects like weight gain, sexual dysfunction, and fatigue. Others may not be keen on medications and may prefer natural alternatives. So let's talk about what works, how much to take, and which ones you should never combine. But first, let me tell you about Sarah. She came to me after trying 5 different antidepressants. Each one either didn't work or caused unbearable side effects. 6 months later, using just 2 of these natural alternatives, she told me she felt like herself for the first time in years. Number 1 is SAMe, S-adenosylmethionine. It is a compound naturally produced in the body. Multiple studies show it works as well as prescription antidepressants, with improvements in 1 to 2 weeks, which can be faster than the typical 4 to 6 weeks for many antidepressants. The recommended dose is 800 to 1600 milligrams daily. Smaller or higher doses may be indicated in some cases. Here's something to be aware of though. If you're already anxious, SAMe can exacerbate the condition. Number 2 is Acetyl-L-Carnitine. This compound supports mitochondrial energy production, particularly in the brain. Research shows it's especially effective for older adults and women with depression. Some studies show that its antidepressant effects are comparable to those of standard antidepressants, but with fewer side effects. The typical dose is 2 to 3 grams daily, with improvements often noticed within the first month. Number 3 is NAC, N-Acetyl Cysteine. It is helpful for anxious depression. Studies show that NAC can significantly improve symptoms of depression, particularly in people with high levels of inflammation or treatment-resistant depression. NAC also shows benefits for anxiety symptoms, though the evidence is strongest for depression with anxious features. NAC is a precursor to glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. It reduces oxidative stress, lowers inflammation, and supports mitochondrial health, all of which are linked to improved mood and brain function in depression and anxiety. The recommended daily dose is 2 to 3 grams. Number 4 is 5-HTP. 5-hydroxytryptophan. This is a natural compound your body makes from the amino acid tryptophan. It acts as a building block for serotonin, which is often called your feel-good hormone. Serotonin helps regulate mood, sleep, and even appetite. During menopause, serotonin levels can drop, which may lead to mood swings, anxiety, and trouble sleeping. Taking 5-HTP as a supplement boosts your serotonin levels. 5-HTP is unique because it can easily cross the blood-brain barrier, making it more effective at raising serotonin levels than simply consuming tryptophan from food. One of the main benefits of 5-HTP is its effect on sleep. When your body has more serotonin, it can make more melatonin, the hormone that tells your body when it's time to sleep. Melatonin levels naturally rise in the evening to help you fall asleep and drop in the morning to help you wake up. By increasing melatonin, 5-HTP may help you fall asleep faster and improve your sleep quality. Studies show that people who take 5-HTP may spend more time in deep, restful sleep and wake up feeling more refreshed. For women in perimenopause and menopause, sleep problems are widespread. Insomnia can make hot flashes, mood swings, and brain fog even worse. Some small studies suggest that 5-HTP may help with these symptoms. The recommendation is to take 5-HTP at night, about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Typical doses range from 100 to 300 milligrams. However, it's best to start with a low dose and increase it slowly if needed. Number 5 is Inositol. This substance has shown promise in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety, especially panic disorder and premenstrual dysphoric disorder, PMDD. Some studies found Inositol to be as effective as SSRIs like fluvoxamine for panic disorder with fewer side effects. It may also help with obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD, and bipolar depression. The doses used in clinical trials for anxiety and panic disorder are much higher than typical supplement doses, usually 12 to 18 grams per day divided into multiple doses. For depression, some studies use 6 to 12 grams per day. Lower doses, 1 to 3 grams, are common for general wellness but have not been shown to be as effective for anxiety or depression in research studies. One way to consume it is to mix the powder with water and sip it throughout the day from a water bottle. Now, before I share the next 5, I wanted to know that I've created a free guide specifically for menopausal women struggling with anxiety, mood swings, and brain fog. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. Now, on to number 6, omega-3s. EPA is the star here, not DHA. You should aim for 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of EPA daily. Think of EPA as anti-inflammation. Studies show that your mood can improve when inflammation decreases. Number 7 is the folate family. So we have folate, folic acid, folinic acid, and L-methylfolate. Folate is a natural form found in foods. Folic acid is the synthetic form used in supplements and food fortification. Folinic acid is a reduced form that can bypass some metabolic steps. L-methylfolate is the biologically active form that the body uses directly. Some people have genetic mutations in the MTHFR gene that reduce the ability to convert folic acid or folate from food into the active form L-methylfolate. This can lead to lower levels of active folate in the body and higher homocysteine levels, which may impact mood, cardiovascular health, and other outcomes. This makes L-methylfolate especially beneficial for individuals with MTHFR mutations. Folinic acid can also partially bypass the MTHFR enzyme and be converted to active folate through alternative pathways, making it another option for those with MTHFR mutations. Number 8 is vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Did you know that up to 60% of people with depression are also low in vitamin D? I check vitamin D levels in every patient I see for mood symptoms. Most adults need 600 to 2,000 international units of vitamin D daily, but if you're deficient, your doctor may recommend a higher dose for a short time. The goal is to reach a blood level of at least 30 ng per ml. In some cases, it may be beneficial to aim for a concentration of at least 50 ng per ml. Now, here's what most people don't realize. It can take 2 to 3 months of daily supplementation to restore your vitamin D stores fully. Always check with your healthcare provider for the correct dose and to monitor your blood levels. Too much vitamin D can be helpful. Number 9 is zinc. This mineral is crucial for the production of neurotransmitters, which are essential for brain function. But here's the key. Ask for a red blood cell zinc test, not regular serum zinc. It's far more accurate and will show if you're truly deficient. Before we go on to number 10, it is important to point out that this is not medical advice. Please consult with your doctor if you have any mental disorders or plan to start any supplements. So number 10, magnesium. This micronutrient is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body. Deficiency has been linked to anxiety, depression, and insomnia. Magnesium glycinate and magnesium threonate are the best forms, as this can cross the blood-brain barrier. Now, here's what you need to know about combining the supplements. Some work well together while others cause problems. Some E and 5-HTP together can trigger serotonin syndrome. Zinc can interfere with other minerals if taken incorrectly. High blood levels of vitamin D can cause damage to your organs. If you found this video helpful, consider watching this one where I discuss a supplement that can help with depression, brain fog, and muscle mass.